मचा।
So, hi everyone, welcome to the second episode of We Rode Together. And on the show today, we have DC fans and a KXIP fan as well. And we'll be talking about the match tomorrow between Delhi Capitals and Kings 11 Punjab. So, what are your thoughts on the match tomorrow, starting with Shiv?
Yeah, it would be a great match. Like we saw the first match of a league table with KXIP, it went to a super over. And now they also have an addition to their team who is in red hot form, Chris Gale. So it would be a great match. Looking forward to the match tomorrow. And it's a great news for Delhi Capitals also as Rishabh Pant, I guess, will be back tomorrow along with Shimran Hetmeyer. And that will make the best playing 11. Just I want to see that who will be out in place of Rishabh Pant, Ajinkya Rahane or Prithvi Shaw.
Good,
That will be a great match.
good. So, Ojas, your thoughts on the match tomorrow?
I think it will be a very crackerjack of the match as Punjab will be looking to win all their matches, and we are also have to make changes in the team. Rishabh Pant is back in the squad, so it will be a good match. Let's see, Delhi wins or Punjab will win.
So, coming to you, Durgesh, your thoughts on the match?
Well, I think as Shiv and Ojas said it will be a great match. The reason is Punjab got their form back and they have a little bit confidence from yesterday's match. Plus, as Shiv said that Rishabh will be back and most probably Hetmeyer will be back. So again, there will be a shift and there will be a couple of changes in the team which might backfire, uh, just like the MI's match.
Okay. So, Tanmay, coming to you, what are your thoughts on the match?
Well, Sunny, it will be a good game to watch. As both the teams have the winning momentum. Kings 11 Punjab put up a great against Mumbai Indians last night, and they are full of confidence. And the way Shikhar Dhawan played in the last match, he scored his century. So yes, it will be good to watch. And just as Shiv said that Rishabh Pant will be in for Delhi Capitals for this match, so it will be good to watch him back again in the team, and also Shimran Hetmeyer. So yes, the same team that played against Punjab last time last time, and they had a great game. They had a super over in which Delhi Capitals won.
So, coming to you, Keshav, welcome to the show. And, your thoughts on the match tomorrow between KXIP and Delhi Capitals?
Uh, Being the lone KXI supporter here, like I'm not, I don't have bragging rights so far because we are in the bottom half of the table and Delhi is the topmost team right now. But see, it's one thing to support KXIP now to win the IPL or make it to the playoffs, and it's another thing to just back them for the game tomorrow. So we'll be taking one game at a time. You never know. I mean, if other results go our way as well later on, we might just sneak for the fourth spot. So, given the game tomorrow, I think it will be a good contest because see there are loopholes in Delhi's lineup as well. Because if you saw the last game, CSK gave them like a real good fight. They were neck to neck until 19th over, and then Dhoni ran out of options. So this problem will not come with KXIP because they've got good death bowlers. You know, you saw last night itself, Jordan and Shami doing the job in the super over. So if that sort of situation comes for Delhi with Punjab, then Punjab has a much better bowling attack, and also their batting is also firing now. So looking forward to a good another neck-to-neck contest.
Well, thank you for the thoughts. So, my next question would be, Ojas, about the key players. What are your key players for the match tomorrow? Whom are you looking forward to, perform well tomorrow?
Sunny, I'm really interested to see how Shikhar Dhawan will carry his form against Punjab as he has backed with a century. And I'm also looking at how Stoinis will play against Punjab. Like last time, he has also scored a 50 against Punjab. The first will be Shikhar Dhawan, second will be Marcus Stoinis, and third will be the purple cap holder Rabada. And I would just want to see that Rabada taking a fifer against Punjab. It will be a very great moment for me.
Oh, good thoughts and great expectations. So coming to you, Shiv, your key players to watch out for in the match tomorrow?
Yeah, it would be first Ravichandra and Ashwin. As you saw, he took 2 wickets in his first over only, and he got injured against Punjab. So I hope he continues with the same form like he was in the first match against Punjab, and it would be a great match for him, I guess. And the second one will be Shikhar Dhawan, as he's in red hot form, scoring 250s and a century in the last match and taking team to the victory. So it would be a great match for Shikhar Dhawan also.
So coming to you, Tanmay, your expectations from any players tomorrow, whom are you looking forward to?
Well, firstly, it will be Gabbar, how he will maintain his form. Like last night, he scored a century, and now how he maintains that form, how he takes the team to a winning total. And then also, I would like to see the way, how Ashwin will play. As in the first match, he unfortunately got injured, but he took 2 wickets, 2 crucial wickets of Kings 11. So he would be a great player to watch. And talking about Marcus Stoinis in the middle order, I would love to see him hit big six. Also, reigning force, and then also talking about Kagiso Rabada, I would really like to see him bowling good and maintaining his purple cap.
Okay, thank you on that, Tanmay. And coming to you, Dugesh, your thoughts, key performer for the match tomorrow?
Well, Sunny, first of all, it will be Akshar Patel, our dark horse, because I think the real problem with Kings 11 is the lower and the middle order, and definitely Akshar is the guy who can expose that thing. And apart from Akshar, it will be Prithvi Shaw. Again, he's not in a good form, but I don't think this will continue, and he'll fight back. And this will be a great match where he can, like, if he can tackle those few first overs in the power play, I think he'll score a good runs.
Okay. So Keshav, coming to you, your key players to watch out for in the match tomorrow for KXIP?
For KXIP, see, given the last night's game, I think there are a lot of now potential match winners on their own in their own individual capacity. Rahul and Mayank had already been performing throughout the tournament. So I think ये जो already perform कर रहे हैं, they will continue because they're in good form. But I would like to see probably Maxwell being given one last chance. And let's see if he fires tomorrow or not, because he's doing a job as a bowler right now. Both him and Russell are playing this tournament as bowling all-rounder, it seems. So if he doesn't come good tomorrow as well, then probably they might have to make a change there. But other than that, I think क्योंकि जो पहला वाला मैच हुआ था ना दिल्ली के साथ पंजाब का जो टाई हुआ था, so there the Punjab bowlers gave a hard time to the Delhi batting lineup, and it was Stoinis coming to the rescue then. So I think for Delhi, Stoinis again will be the key because he has happy memories of the first game. So let's see.
Yeah, thank you, Keshav. And coming to the prediction now, because we haven't done this thing before, so I'll be asking all of you, what is the score you guys are expecting in tomorrow's match, if Delhi bat first or if KXIP bat first? So coming to you, Ojas, your expected score for tomorrow's match,
Yeah,
if
Sunny,
Delhi bat first.
if Delhi batted first, Delhi will be definitely scoring 165 plus runs. If Punjab will bat first, they will be scoring around 170 plus runs.
Okay, good. So Shiv, your projected score?
Yeah, if Delhi bat first, I would go for, if the opening pair also give a great start, they will go for 170 plus, as they have played a lot of matches in Dubai as it's their home ground. And if KXIP bat first, I guess 155 to 160. As we also have a great bowling attack, like we chased in the last match, and we have a great chasing team also.
Okay, good. So Tanmay, your projected score for tomorrow for both the teams?
Yes, well, for both the teams, since both the teams have got a good batting lineup, So, and with a player like Chris Gayle in Kings 11 Punjab, who is great hitting form. So both the teams will aim to score in between 170 to 180 because that will be a good fighting total on Dubai's pitch. And talking about both the bowling lineups, so both the teams will have a good bowling lineup also. So they will be able to defend it, both the teams.
Okay, so coming to you, Durgesh, your projected score for the tomorrow's match for both teams.
Sunny, if Delhi is playing, I think they'll score somewhere around 170 to 175. Because if you see all the matches, they are able to maintain that 175 plus runs, odd runs. And if KXIP is going to play first, I think they'll be able to manage around 165 or 160, I guess. Because that they have the problem with the Maxwell and the lower mid order. So I think that will impact their score.
Oh, thank you, on Durgesh. So Keshav, coming to you, what are your thoughts? You know, if KXIP bat first, what would be the projected score? And if Delhi bat first, what should be the projected score? Keshav, you're mute.
Okay, sorry. So I'm saying if Pant and Hitmayer still don't make it to the level, then I think Punjab has a slight upper hand because their batting lineup has more experience now with Gale coming in and Huda also performing well in the last game. So batting first, I think Punjab will have a bit more confidence coming into tomorrow's game. So if they bat first, I would like to see them go to 180 and hopefully defending them, being the lone Punjab supporter here. And if Delhi bats first, then again, you know, it's just subjective. Like I can only hope that Rahul doesn't repeat the same mistakes of choosing his right death bowlers, because the match before last night उसमें उसने शामी को ओवर दे दिया था जहाँ पे उसको बड़ी मार लगी थी. कल उसने अर्शदीप को दे दिया जहाँ पे पोलार्ड ने उसको लूट लिया था. So I hope that he finds the right bowler at the right time and will be able to manage Delhi within 165.
So on that note, I would like to end this session and thank you everyone for your time, and let's hope that we get to see a cracker of a game today and also a close match. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Sunny.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Sunny.
Bye-bye.